Always handle the printer with the equipment turned off and the power cable disconnected before working on any component. If you need to disconnect cables or tubes, take a photo before starting to ensure correct reconnection afterward. Always protect the environment and the printer. Wear gloves if you need to handle tubes, dampers, or any other component that contains ink, as it can be corrosive. Avoid contact between the ink and electronic components, as it may cause damage. In this video, we will show you how to replace the printer capping unit. Move the print carriage to one side to gain access. Loosen the screws securing the capping cover and remove it. Next, remove the ink absorbent pad. Loosen the screws that secure the capping unit. Disconnect the waste ink tube located at the bottom of the capping unit. Then, cut off the deformed section of the waste ink tube. Install the new capping unit. Reconnect the waste ink tube and reinstall the mounting screws. Next, return the print carriage to its initial position. From the control panel, perform a cleaning cycle. Check whether the ink is flowing properly. If no ink flow is detected, the position of the capping unit will need to be readjusted. To do this, loosen the mounting screws, adjust the position of the capping unit, and retighten the screws. Once the adjustment is complete, return the print carriage to its initial position again. Install the capping cover and tighten the screws to secure it properly. Next, reinstall the ink absorbent pad. Finally, return the print carriage to its initial position.